Amazing. Let's go to Sport Plus. Yeah. Yeah. No way. Seriously. Wow. I'd buy this car with no hesitation. What's up everyone, my name is Andrei Ivanov and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. Today, I'm checking flood damage cars that stated as run and drive at Copart Auto Auction. I'm gonna show you a few cars and we're gonna at the end figure out, is it a great deal to buy a flood damage car that run and drive, that has no issues, and what can you save on it? Let's start. Okay, so I'm checking flood damage cars stated as run and drive. It's 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 Coupe. I like it. It's aggressive styling from Geico. And actually it comes with rebuildable title. So it's not certificate of destruction. So it means I can buy it and register it. Looks pretty nice. I see a dent here, like a small one, 5-year-old car. Scratches, which is normal. It's a used car, guys. If you always check for these little things on a used car, that's okay. It's a used car. And it's at salvage or auction. You're gonna get it at a huge discount. Otherwise, looks nice. Everything looks nice from outside. Nice roof. Very minor scratches. I like the rims. AMG over here, they all match. Little bit scuffs right here, not a big deal. LED headlights, grille, very aggressive. I don't like the chrome parts. I probably would black it out completely, but otherwise let's see what's inside. Was there any flood damage? Let me see if I can open it up. Yes, I open it up. Okay, it's alive. Guys, it smells absolutely great. No issues so far. Do I see any waterline markings? I don't see it. Don't forget your key. Key is here. Okay, there is a small screen. I like the peanut butter interior. Very nice and pretty good condition for the year. Sporty steering wheel. Let's see what's on the back. Yep, it all works, it's all functioning. Decent, very decent. It has AMG package. Nice, very nice. Love it, love it, love it. So it's all functioning, very good. Let's put it back. What else can we see? Let's see what's on the back in the trunk. Okay, so a little bit dirty. So the previous owner, Betty Boop. So I guess it was a girl. Okay, what's here? Oh, look at that. The new part from Mercedes. Okay, there's a box. That's it. Nothing else. No tools. Let's try to start it. It's all-wheel drive. That's pretty good. Okie dokie, so let's start. I love it. Seriously. Very nice car. I don't mind flood damage if it's a flood damage as this car. There is always one golden rule for any flood salvage car. If you can come in person or you can send an inspector to check the car and smell it, and everything checks out well, like this car doesn't smell, I don't see any sign of water. Let's see if we can start the car. Amazing, it starts. So there is no issue whatsoever. It has 88,759 miles on it. What not to like about this car? I'd buy it. Seriously, I'd buy this car with no hesitation. It's pretty much a used car with a rebuildable certificate. If you can get this car at 50 or maybe 40% discount, let's go to Sport Plus. Yeah. Let's pop the hood and see what's under the hood. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So, engine works great. I don't see any damages. Okay, decent. All original. Very nice. Run and drive. Take that. LED high performance. I'll check Monroney label on that. I think it's gonna be a nice package. Like it. I seriously like it. Very quiet indeed. I love this car. Oh, it has original books as well? No way. Seriously. Wow. Everything in place. Gosh, guys, you know what it is? That's original sticker. I told you I'm gonna buy Monroney label. I found it. So let's see. It's 2017 C300 2.0, 241 horsepowers. Rear view camera, 18-inch AMG spoke alloy wheels, heated front seats, and it has a sport package. It's AMG body styling, diamond grille, flat bottom sport steering wheel. Yes, flat bottom. Perforated front brake rotors with Mercedes-Benz calipers, aluminum pedals. Yep, I see it there. It's good. Aluminum pedals. AMG floor mats. Yes, 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 we have it. Black headliner. Indeed. Dashboard in black. It is. Ambitax with contrast stitching. Contrast stitching. I'm not really. Yeah, it is a contrast stitching. So it's a peanut butter with black stitching. But it's good. It's good. There is like a black with kind of like cream one. I love it. You know, seriously, the original price was $48,290. It's gonna get me 25 mpg average, and I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna pack it because I'm gonna buy this car, guys. Oh, what I forgot to do? I forgot to do the test. So let's start. I'm gonna close. So this moves well. Now I want to do the front drive test. So it does drive. You see, it moves. No issues whatsoever on the back. There is a camera. Yeah, it is a run and drive. I verified it, and we can change the view, the angles. Beautiful, beautiful car, and I definitely want it. So let's sum it up. 2017 Mercedes-Benz that I saw at Copart. It was for sale by Geico Insurance Company. The final bid was $14,200, which means if you put in our price calculator with all the fees, with our fees, it would be total $16,000. How much would you save? I checked cars.com for coupes. You know, guys, if you're looking and you're gonna compare apple to apple. So I checked all coupes. I checked the same engine with exactly the same AMG specs, and I found only this case 2017 with 48,000 miles for sale right now at $32,900. There is another one, cheaper one, but it has no rims AMG. It doesn't have like AMG styling bumpers. That's why it's cheaper, $25,599. This one I really like, $33,000. And if you think, oh, that's a perfect car, $33,000, no issues whatsoever. Look, there is vehicle history by Carfax provided free. It has a clean title, but it has damage reported, very minor damage. Let me find it. So it was an accident in 2018, damage to right rear, so it has already prior paint, and it was multiple times at auto auction. Therefore, this car, yeah, it comes with a rebuildable title. There is no damages, there is no prior paint, but it has water flood damage. I could not find it. So let's say even you go aggressive and you try to sell it for $25,000. Rebuildable title, no issues whatsoever with 88,000 miles. You bought it all in for $16,000, you sell it for $25,000, $9,000. You can think of discount, or you think $9,000 you can make a profit. That's what I'm talking about. That's really great car and I really liked it. The other one we're gonna take a look right now, it's a 2018 Cadillac XT5 luxury. It's also owned by insurance company, it also run and drive, and I verified it. It smells nice, everything was great. It sold for just $5,200, which in range of my projected win bid, only 20% of retail value. But important, the title came with certificate of destruction, meaning you won't be able to register it. Always check carsfromwest.com and see what color is the title, what color is the seller, because we make it easy for you to identify great deals and money pits. This Cadillac, I just noticed it because it's no damages whatsoever. It shows run and drive, no damages whatsoever. Looks beautiful. The only downside, it's a flood damage, but it's not the worst case because I don't see any signs of water. You know, like I open up the vehicle, it smells good. There is no signs of water whatsoever. You know what's the only downside about this car? It comes with certificate of destruction. So it means I won't be able to register it. And that's the bad part. It's 18 Cadillac XT5, wow. But it's a certificate of destruction, so you won't be able to register it in the United States, and that's a bummer. Wow, these cars are just amazing, and there are lots of other cars at salvage auto auctions with minor damages or no damages whatsoever. Just for you, I've prepared free ebook, Top 7 Secrets on Buying Salvage Cars right at salvage auto auctions. You can download it by the link in the comment section or description, and you get all the knowledge in less than 30 minutes. Start looking for car with huge discount. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Andre. I'm with carsfromwest.com, and I'll see you next week.